Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new day. I didn't finish off the vlog yesterday. So the Christmas tree is finally done, but I still feel like we need some balls to put on it. Keisha's gonna grab some extra balls just so we could put on it. I'm just here doing nothing. I'm joking, not doing. I wish. I'm literally just here. Cleaning out my closet, cleaning out my drawers, cleaning out Ziggy's drawers, just getting rid of a lot of stuff that we haven't been wearing in a long time, and just stuff that's like ruined, or just doing like a nice, not even a spring cleaning. It's just, you know, when you have some stuff in your closet and it's like, if you have not worn it since last year or 2 years ago, you're just never gonna wear it. So I'm just cleaning out my closet and making up a donation bag just to drop off. It's like a shelter, or we have like little bins that you can leave the bags of clothes that you're not wearing anymore, or you can drop them off at Value Village. So that's what I'm doing. Well, that's what I've been doing since morning. And then I'm still recovering from a cold. I don't know if you guys can hear, but like my voice sounds kind of funny and my throat has been bothering me. Let me fill you guys in real quick on a little what's been going on with me and all that stuff. So where do I start? So I got sick. I got the flu shot. And I mean, like, if you're a nurse or nursing student, whatever, they always advise that you do get the flu shot, just because if there's an outbreak and all that stuff, you won't be able to work, blah blah blah. So I did get it. This is the first time that I'm getting the flu shot and I actually got sick. I can't tell you guys the last time I've been sick. It's been a long time. So yeah, so like I said, it's been a while since I've gotten sick. I can't, like, even during my pregnancy, I don't remember getting this sick. I was sick, like my throat was hurting me. I was coughing up like phlegm, like, you know, I was just had like light flu symptoms, and oh my god, it was the worst. My head was hurting me and all that stuff, and I think it's from the flu shot. I don't know, it's also flu season here, and I don't know if it's the weather change, like I don't know what it is, but it was just like super annoying. And then plus I had to go to placement. This was my week. I literally went to placement every day because I'm like, I just want to finish my hours, and this was my last week. So I am officially done with my nursing program. Thank you, Jesus, I made it. It was tough, especially like being pregnant and all that stuff, but I'm just happy that I pushed through and I'm finally done. It feels so good. Now I just have to figure out if I want to do the exam like now, the registration exam to get your license, if I want to do it now or if I want to wait till next year. Low-key, I kind of just want to wait. I don't want to rush, even though people are telling me to go and do it now while everything is still fresh in my brain. I feel like mentally I need a break. I need like a mental sorry about that. So where did I leave off? My battery died, so I had to go get an extra one, but thank God, shout out to Shan, I bought extra batteries just to make sure for moments like this. So I have to sit and wait for it to charge up. So anyways, as I was saying, I feel like it's really important for you to take care of your mental health. Like, I had Nyla January, and I think I was in my fourth semester, my fourth semester. I had her the end of January, and I went back straight to school maybe like a week or 2 weeks after having her. And I mean, I was very fortunate that I had a good support team behind me. Not a lot of people have that, but it's like, even though I had the support behind me, I feel like I never gave myself enough time to heal down here, heal up here. Like, I didn't really get to like process the whole thing, like, holy shit, like I'm a mom. Like, I was just more focused on, yes, I'm a mom, but also I wanted to finish school. I didn't want me having a baby held me back, even though sometimes if I would go back, I would have took the semester off, just because it was a lot, it was heavy. This program overall is just really heavy, and then plus having a baby just made it even more stressful, being a first mom. But nevertheless, this whole process taught me like what I am able to take on, or like how far I'm able to push myself. They always say life is your best teacher. You know, I learned a lesson. I learned a lot about myself, and I'm just so grateful and happy that I'm finished. Shout out to my husband. You know, there's times when he sacrificed like weeks without going to work just so I could finish my hours. Shout out to my family for always pushing me and supporting me. You guys, support is just so important. I know a lot of people, or there's people out there that don't have like that support system, but I'm just so grateful and thankful for my family. I'm so grateful and thankful for my husband. This journey it's been tough. There's been times that I wanted to give up, and I just always had someone in my corner pushing me, especially Ziggy, Shauna, my dad. Like, my mom, everyone was just always pushing me. I'm just so grateful for them. So that's why I was kind of like away from the vlogging, just because I wanted to focus on school and just finish off strong, and I'm happy that I finished. So now that I'm finished, my main goal right now is to just focus on my YouTube. I'm really debating if I want to do this full-time, because I would consider that I was doing it like part-time. So now I'm just really, like, lately it's like something's just been talking to me and telling me, I've been praying about it a lot, and something's just been telling me that I should do it full-time. Like, just this is my chance and this is my time to just focus on my YouTube. I mean, like, I really love vlogging, love communicating with you guys. I've met like people through this. I've met subscribers that have become like family and friends to me. So I'm just really thinking that I'm ready to take on this as like a full-time. I mean, it does bring me income. I get sponsorships and stuff like that. So I've just really been thinking about everything. But like I said, I've been praying about it, and something just keeps on telling me that do it. So I mean, nothing tried, nothing done, my dad always tells me. So I guess we'll see what happens. Me and Ziggy are also debating if we want to do Vlogmas. Our vacation is coming up, so that's also going to be a surprise. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, because you guys are going to be seeing our family vacation getaway. It's going to be, I'm so excited for that. Like, I'm actually so excited. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever we post a vlog. I know sometimes YouTube can be glitchy and you guys won't even get the notification, but just make sure you guys subscribe so it shows up on like your feed, your YouTube feed and all that stuff. Join the newbie fam. Become a newbie fam. And again, you know, we always thank you guys, and we appreciate the love and the support that you guys are always pushing out and giving us. We really appreciate it. And shout out to you guys who have been rocking with us, rocking with me from the beginning. Even times when I'm like not even consistent, you guys still show non-love and support, and I truly appreciate it. So enough of me rambling on. That's just like a quick little update. We have a Black Friday going on over here, and Black Friday is something more in the States, but Canada they do it too. So Black Friday deals actually started like a week early over here at some places. Officially, we're gonna have more deals like Friday coming up. I think it's the 28th or something like that. So I am gonna be going out to look at some of the Black Friday deals. I did catch some of the deals already. I got Ziggy's Christmas gifts. Yesterday Bath and Body Works had like their body lotions were like $2.95, so I did buy some of those. I was debating if I want to show you guys what I got, or maybe I'll do like a Black Friday Christmas deal type of haul video. I think I'll do that instead of showing just showing you guys the stuff now that I got. But yeah, what do we got planned today? I have to submit my last weekly evaluation and my evaluation from my teacher, and then I'm officially done with submitting any type of assignments. And then I'm going to be doing some laundry, put on some new sheets, stuff like that. That's why my bed is not spread, because usually our bed is spread. And then I don't know what we're doing for dinner today, to be honest. Bro, sometimes I'm just so tired of eating like home cooked meals. Like when you're cooking every day, it gets tiring. But I don't know what we're gonna cook today. I kind of feel like just going out. I'm gonna see if Ziggy's up for going out for like a Sunday dinner. I didn't really get to celebrate yet, finishing nursing school because we've just been so busy, and like I'm not even really busy. I've just been so tired for the past couple of days. 'Cause like I said, I've been going from straight the whole week of placement, coming home, and it's like the next day, and it's tiring. It's tiring, especially when you have a baby. It is tiring because Nyla wakes in the night and she's still breastfeeding, even though she eats solids, but in the night when she wakes up like 2-3 times for her feeding, it gets tiring. But I just filmed a quick video on this little hairstyle. It's just like I mean, you guys will see it soon. It's just a quick, easy go-to type hairstyle. I'm not sure if that video will be up, I think after this vlog. Maybe it'll be up after this vlog, because I gotta get the it's gotta get approved first, and then I'll release it. So it'll probably be after, so you guys can stay tuned for that. And also, I know you guys been seeing a lot of wig videos on my channel, but the thing is, like, I'm an influencer, and these wig companies are gonna reach out to me, and if I'm making money, it's part of my job, you know, so I am gonna do them. But I am going to try to get back on my natural hair videos. I really need to get back on those, and I do have a natural hair video supposed to be coming out. I just need to edit it and then release it on some hair products that I got, so you guys can look out for that as well. And I need to update my curly hair products, so once I get some new products, I'll start filming some more natural hair videos. But in the meantime, you guys can let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see down below. I'm starting to write back out a video list so I know what to do, just because like I have the time now. So you guys can definitely suggest some videos that you guys want to see. Either it's videos from me and Ziggy, me and Nyla, myself, natural hair videos. Let me know. And do you guys think we should do Vlogmas? Should we do Vlogmas? Because we've been debating. I think we should, but let me know down below if we should do Vlogmas. I mean, this Vlogmas is gonna be a little different, so I think we should do it. This little girl is literally in everything. Everything! You love touch? You love touch? What? So, just gave Nyla a fresh little bath. Her midday bath, I guess you can call it. Thank you. Thank you. She don't like when you comb her hair. Can I make you look? Yeah. Can I? Like growing, as you guys can see, her little curls are slowly coming through. Yeah. Yes, she's a pretty baby. Her curls are like slowly starting to curl, like no matter how me and Ziggy lay down her hair, just because like that's what we were used to. Are you done? Are you done? Just because like that's what we were used to. Now you just can't even do that. So what I do is I wash her hair with like her shampoo. Not often, just because like she's a baby, you don't need to wash her hair like every day. And then I use like a very little bit of this leave-in conditioner. I don't use too much. I literally spritz it in my hand and just mix with water and just rub it in her hair. And then I use olive oil and a little bit of coconut oil just to keep her hair moisturized. And I also use my Indian hemp. And then I use the Indian hemp oil in her hair just to add some moisture into her hair, because sometimes her hair does get dry, especially like when she's sleeping and all the friction from like her turning her head and all that stuff. So I try to keep her hair as moisturized as possible, even though she doesn't have that much hair on her head. But I do notice that her curls are slowly starting to come in, like I said. You guys can like kind of see it. Yeah, she's not gonna sit still. So now I just had her midday shower, and we're gonna go downstairs and just, I guess, chill for a little. Ziggy's going on the road. He's going on the road, and then we're just gonna be here. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna chill downstairs. It's only us home right now, so not much to do. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Bye. Hi. Hi. See what's up. This girl's pulling on the camera. Oh my god. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look. She's not having it with me. So I ordered this LED video lighting off of Amazon. It is dimmable, and it comes with this little thing that you can put over the light. It comes with a clear one and an orange one, so you can get like a different light setting. It does go super bright, and it goes super like you can control how bright you want it. It's dead right now, so I can't even show you guys, but like it's really convenient if you're traveling and you don't want to walk with like your ring light or your lights. You can just use this. Like this literally brights up the whole room to how bright it is. So this is gonna be like my traveling LED light, and I will use it at home obviously too, but I just like how small this is and how compact it is. Like I said, this is the newer brand. This is how it looks. It's small, It's like a little bigger than a vlogging camera. It can't go onto my camera, but I do have like my mini tripod, like if I'm doing like a sit down filming or something like that, and I just need like the extra light. So this is something that I got. I did get a tripod for my camera. I think I mentioned that before in one of my videos, but I did get that. The tripod that I got for my camera is universal, so it comes like a little attachment, so you can use it for pretty much anything. I can attach this onto it, attach my camera. My other Sony camera could fit on it as well. My Canon's on it right now. And then something else that I got too was just have extra batteries. So in total I have 3 batteries for my camera, which is really convenient because if one dies, you have a backup one. Shan was the one who actually told me about this, so shout out to Shan from the Williams family. And this one's just USB. This is the charging port, and it's like a USB cable. You just plug it in and that's it. It just charges, and it has like a little monitor here telling you if it's charged or which one is charged more, and so on. So it's really convenient to have external batteries if you're a consistent vlogger or always using your camera, just so that you don't have to wait until your batteries like recharge. So these are like some new gadgets that I got, and a tripod. I'm still debating if I want to use or keep my softbox lights, just because I haven't used them since I got them. I'm still debating, but I have to get the proper bulbs for them because I bought bulbs and they weren't the right ones. So I have that as well. But yeah, nice to have my ring light over here. Just thought I would just come on and share that with you guys real quick. But this guy's here about to go play soccer because he feels like soccer is life. I'm joking. The bag? She's using it, yes. But isn't there like so why don't you use the brown bag? You just can't pass up on soccer, eh? So now this is dinner, Sunday dinner. We got some salmon, broccoli, okra, what is that? Okra, shrimp, potato salad. Why are you draping me up?
Do it again, mommy.
Say goodnight. Say goodnight. So guys, we are about to head to, well, not really go to bed, but about to wind down, get this one ready for bed, wipe her down and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever we post a vlog, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See, it's been so long since I vlogged, it's like I forgot what to say, but see you guys in the next video. Say bye!